Good afternoon. 2:33 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Date 4/24/2019. What do we have before us? Another semiconductor stock called Xilinx. They just released the earnings. Originally on that release, they popped it to 141 right here. And then the low is 121. You heard me. And we're printing at 123. And the semiconductors index has been on fire all year and whatnot. But now we're seeing this big downside move. They actually beat by a penny and whatnot. So we're going to be looking at stocks like NVIDIA that is going to get slammed, and it will. This is a big drop down, people, right here. You could see it. It's here. It's a 30-minute chart. You could see where the low was. The low was down here at 121, and that is where it is. So basically, we're going to set it up, and we're going to go to the stocks in the semiconductor that are relatively going to go down because of this Xilinx, and it is getting slammed. Let me get some of the numbers. All right, here's something everybody wants to know. That's had a $20 swing in after hours. They missed by 2 cents. Revs were in line. But here's the deal. Q1 revs above consensus. So there's nothing wrong with the consensus. It increases the dividend, and it announces the acquisition of Solarflare. So basically, they did miss, but it's only by 2 cents a share. The company is going to give upside guidance for Q1, and they did. So basically, we're going to look at buying the dip on Xilinx. So tomorrow, we will go over and we will get those call options that we're going to look at getting into. Basically, what we're going to do, we're going to take and put this into a nice trade. And one thing that we're going to look at tomorrow, you could see where the 120 calls are right here. They're going to get slammed, man. And they're going to get slammed hard. And that was a May 31 strike. By going to April 26th and taking a look at the 120 call, that's right here, it was 1770. We're going to end up buying that off of the bottom for an intraday trade. And it is going to be intraday. There wasn't anything really that wrong in that release. They gave upside guidance. They did everything right and whatnot. You know, even though we've been talking about the semiconductor stock in that sector has run and had the best run ever. And last quarter, Xilinx beat. So that's going to be the trade setup with all of our traders. And I'm going to conclude the live video. You can see where the high was, 141, and you can see the low was 121. That's a 20-point downside move in after hours earnings release.